Hey everyone, this is Mukesh Otwani once again from learn-automation.com. Today in this video we are mainly going to talk about the global variables. So in the last video we already discussed about what is environment, how to use environment, why we need it, right? But now when you click here you can also see one global variable concept. So what is this global variables, when to use, how to use, we will see this. Again, this is very frequently asked interview question. So in case if you haven't seen my environment video, then I would highly recommend you that watch my environment video where we discussed about what is environment. Then only you can understand the difference. Okay, so now if you can see, this is also a global variables, also set of variables. So what is the difference between environment and global variables? So in order to explain this, let me open first of all these three requests. Okay, let's take the first request. Right now I have this URL variable which is already defined in the environment scope, as you can see, right? So now what if I select no environment? So as you can see, now it is showing unresolved variable because now it is not able to understand what is URL, because the reason we have selected no environment, right? The moment I click on send, and if you come down here, you can see it is not able to understand and it says invalid request. Now here comes the main part. The moment you click here, you can see we also have a global variable. So what is global variable? Now as the name says globally, now it is not dependent on any environment. It will be available for all the requests. Okay, so now here comes the two concepts. One is called local scope. So the variables that you will define within an environment will be known as local variables for the time being, and the values or the key value pairs which you will mention within the globals will be known as the global variables. So they will be available for all the environments, and local variables will be only available for the environment. For example, if I create one global variable, so just click on this icon, click on edit, and let me select one, let's say keep URL, and maybe I will just copy this URL first of all. Just a second, guys. Okay, not this one. Let me select QA. Yeah, this is the base URL. Okay, and this I want to make as a global variable. So I will go here, click on edit, and I will keep URL mention here, and that's all. Now you will see the moment I put mouse over, okay, let me save this and let me select no environment. The moment I put mouse over, now it is not giving unresolved because it is taking from the global variable. As you can see, the symbol is G, means global, and you can see the scope as well as a global. So it means when it is not able to find within the environment, definitely it will check for the global variables. Just keep this point in the mind, guys. If it is no environment, it will take search for global. If it is present, it will take it. Now here comes the main deal. So before we do that, let me just make it QA. Okay, so now can you see I also have the same variable in environment, same variable I have taken as a global. Now the question comes, which will be taking or which will have the more preferences? So as you can see, Postman has by default striken out this global variable value. The reason is Postman also or always give the higher preference to the local variable. So as you can see, environment is giving more preference, so it will always take, if you have the same key. If it is different, definitely there is no mismatch and it will take based on the key value. But if you have the same variable name in the environment and in the global, it will always take the preference for the environment, which is nothing but the local variable. Okay, so in this case it will work fine because it will take the URL from the environment variable, and you can see scope as environment. Now if I select no environment, this time same URL is present in the global variable and it will continue, right? So now the question comes, like, shall we go with local variables, or which is nothing but environment variables, or shall we go with global? So guys, if you have few variables, a few key value pairs which is not dependent on any environment, keep as a global variable. But if you have such key value pairs which can change or which will differ between the environments, you can maintain within the environment. So it is same similar to what we have done in the programming languages, right? We have local variable, global variable, same concept will be applicable here. Okay, so I hope this is clear. If yes, then fine. If no, then let me know your questions in the comment section. Let me just give you a one last point, a quick overview. Local scope or local variable, so this will be within environment. Okay, so global scope, this global scope will be without or independent of environment. So whether you select no environment or any other environment, this scope will be for all the requests. Last point, if you have the same variable name within global and environment, then preference will always go for local, or I will say environment variables. That's very straightforward. I hope this is clear. If it's still not clear, let me know your thought in the comment section. I will definitely try to make another video on this, because whatever we are doing right now from UI, we can also set the variables, set the environment variables, global variables within the script as well, which we can mention in the test pre-request script, and we can play accordingly. Okay guys, this is a very frequently asked question in the interviews as well, so make sure it is clear to everyone. Okay, that's all I have from my side. If yes, share this video with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.